Hey guys, let's see how to view this Tapo C400 camera on an Android device. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with any Samsung device. Super simple. You just need to have this Tapo app that you get from your store. You just come to the store and you just download this app. Let me just show here. You can come here and look for the Tapo app on Google App Store. You come here and you enter Tapo. That's the one, and look for the TP-Link Tapo, okay? Just download it, install it, create an account, create a password, then you can just log in and you're gonna have the software or the app working like this, right? If you're installing the first Tapo device, you're gonna see a big button asking you to add a new device, or you can also see this button here on the top with the plus signal that you can add a new device. You just hit here, add a device. And then I'm gonna select which camera to use. In this case, it's a Tapo camera. You see that it found the camera here already via Bluetooth, okay? So when you remove the camera from the box, you're gonna see the camera flashing like this, red and green. You see the LED here? If it's not flashing like this, what you have to do is just come here, open this flap, press this button here with a paper clip for 10 seconds. So just come here, press it, and hold for 10 seconds, and you just observe this LED here. It's going to flash just red pretty fast. You just press count to 10, and you're gonna see this flashing red fast, right? And then you let it go, the camera is going to reset, and it's going to be like this. If you have this only with the steady green or steady red out of the box, it's not good. You just need to reset it. As long as you have the camera flashing like this, red and green, you're good to go, and it finds the camera via Bluetooth. Remember that you need to have your Bluetooth enabled here on your cell phone as well, okay? So you can just select here and continue. You see that the cell phone finds the camera via Bluetooth and connects direct to the camera. So it's a direct connection between them, and then your cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi router to connect to and which password to use. So the cell phone is giving the camera the information. There we go. Here's my Wi-Fi, 2.4 gigahertz network Wi-Fi. Here's my password. I just hit next and then I confirm. Next again. Wait.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. It's connected. You're gonna see the LED here change. It's gonna change to green. There we go, see, it's green now, steady green, so it's good to go. And you name your camera, Tapo C400, that's okay for me. I hit next. Here, select a location. Next again, I select an icon. Next again. And it's complete, so basically working. I just hit here, sounds good. And here's the 30-day trial for the storage. You can record everything into the cloud. So basically, the camera is recording back there. If somebody just takes away your camera, you still have the footage on the cloud. So it's a good idea to have the cloud working. 30-day free trial. And after this, you have to pay a monthly fee to record into the cloud. Or you can just use the SD card here, record only locally. You see here that I have also here the slot for the SD card. I have an SD card here. I'm gonna leave the link here in the description for a good SD card because the camera has high resolution. It's a good idea to have a fast SD card to work with the camera, right? It's just close here because it's weatherproof. Just make sure that you close and install your camera and you're good to go. Let me just put the camera back here so you can see the image when it's available. There we go. And here I will go just to dismiss this. And here, when you have other devices, the network, your camera can find as well. And here the camera is informing about the SD card. So I have the SD card there, 8 gigabytes up to 512. Got it. Here's the firmware update between 3 a.m. and 5 p.m. That's okay. Got it. I closed the covers, the port covers. And here's just testing. It's saying the signal is unstable. I got it now. You just need to have your router close enough to the camera. Hit next. And here is going to show some information. I'll just hit next here. It's going to show some information about the mounting, the location. You just need to read it and keep hitting next. More information here about the installation and also the angle that you can have your camera placed. Just hit next. And let me just finish here. Exit the menu and you see the camera working here. Tapo C400. I just tap on it and you see that's working back there. Pretty fine, right? I can move here. A little bit of latency, but that's okay for a camera like this. And I have the SD card here and I'm good to go. If it's the first time that you are inserting the SD card there, you just need to come here to the menu and format the SD card just right here, storage and recordings. Come here to local storage and you can format your SD card, all right? Then basically the camera is going to work here with your cell phone and you can just enjoy it, right? So basically that's the way you can have your Tapo C400 working with your Android phone. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.